In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Canva. It's a simple but effective way to make your designs more dynamic and visually engaging. So let's dive right in. To start, we're going to open Canva. Go to the Canva website and log into your account. If you don't have a Canva account, signing up is super easy. Once you're logged in, let's create a new canvas, or open an existing one where you want to apply this effect. Canva offers a wide range of templates and sizes to choose from, so select the one that best fits your project. Once you have your canvas ready, turn your attention to the left side menu panel. From there, click on the Elements tab. This section is filled with various design elements you can use to enhance your project. What we want to focus on are frames, so go ahead and click on that. Frames are an awesome tool because they allow you to crop images into different shapes. Let's choose a circle frame for this demonstration. Click on it to add it to your canvas. This frame will act as a mask for your image, shaping it into a perfect circle. Next, hover back to the left side of the menu and select Uploads. This is where you can upload your own images or choose from previously uploaded ones. Find an image you want to use and drag it into the circle frame. Your image will automatically take the shape of the circle, giving it a polished look. Now, let's switch gears to the text. Head back to the left side menu and click on Text. This is the place where you can add headings, subheadings, or body text. For now, let's add a subheading to make our design pop. Click on Add a subheading, and then type the text you want to wrap around the image. It could be anything from a catchy slogan to informative text. Once you've entered your text, click on it, and a floating toolbar will appear. This toolbar gives you various options for customizing your text. Click on Effects, and then scroll down to find the Shape section. There, you'll see an option called Curve. Click on this to apply a curved effect to your text. Now that you've got your text curved, you can adjust how much curve you want by using the slider provided. This allows you to wrap your text more tightly or more loosely around the image, depending on the style you're going for. And finally, reposition the text so that it wraps perfectly around your circular image. There you have it, a fun and creative way to wrap text around an image in Canva. Practice these steps to get comfortable with them, and you'll be making stunning designs in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks.